So next, for each genotype indicate whether it is a heterozygous or homozygous. These are the homozygous, these heterozygous, and these are the homozygous, heterozygous, homozygous, and the heterozygous. For each genotype, determine what phenotypes would be possible. For example, purple flowers are dominant to white. Capital P, it means they show the dominant, that means purple flowers. So it show the purple phenotype. So the capital P and small p, they show the purple flowers because their dominant allele is P. And the both are small, they show the white flowers. Brown eyes are dominant to blue. So the capital B, they show the brown eyes because they are dominant, and the small b, they are homozygous and they show the blue. So the capital B and small b, these are the heterozygous and they show the brown eyes.